Hey everybody, Mr. Aggro here,
Yo, everybody, it's Toxic Fellow here.
Hey guys, it's GG Steel.
and this is gonna be our reaction to That Time I Got Reincarnated as a Slime, episode 4. So here we go, you guys ready?
Yep.
Yep.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, play. Yo, my boy Gopta, bro.
Kapta.
Watch, he's the most OP one out of all of them.
Right?
I could see it.
Dwargon.
Yeah, don't worry, come here.
Yeah.
Ah,
Okay.
shit. Watch, he's gonna go in there, the elves gonna look like, just like the doors.
Huge
Dude,
flag.
Gopta is always getting in trouble, man, that guy. Yeah, my boy Gopta, bro, I'm
Damn.
telling you, man.
MVP.
It's a strategy. You gotta take the less intimidating one with you.
But he's the
Secretly,
most
he's gonna.
powerful one.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's one of the best gear.
For all they know, he's gonna be like a Hulk or something, dude. That's a special power.
But you got a wrench.
What the fuck?
You
Oh
got only
man.
took L's. Took L's out here.
Gotta take care of business.
Oh shit. He's gonna show who's boss.
Reinforcement army. Oh,
What the hell?
what?
What? 16 fled? Jesus. 92
Damn.
minutes.
34
Soiled
spoiled.
himself. Ah, they got locked up.
Damn.
Oh, he's in the barrel.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm like,
okay.
where is
I was
he?
like, where is he? He just waltzed out.
Did he excrete all that in the barrel, or was he thrown into a barrel of water?
No, I was thrown into the barrel, and I think he got screamed out.
Ugh.
You better stay in your
That's nasty.
cell. Okay.
As he's outside his cell.
I know, right? Ooh.
We need subtitles for that guy. He's like, I have a bunch of those! Yeah, see.
Oh, he remembers.
He just spat it out.
Majesty.
Ooh.
Bet you he's gonna eat it and then just duplicate it.
Oh, that's
That'd be
OP,
OP.
dude.
Oh, hell no.
No! Yeah, see what? Nice one.
OP.
Duplicated.
Wow. He's a walking game shark.
What?
Yeah.
He's literally a walking game shark. Not even walking.
Oh my god.
He's not even walking.
Holy fuck.
Oh my goodness.
Oh. Speak, man.
Oh shit, here we go.
Okay.
Alright.
My thoughts exactly.
Oh
Oh
god.
man. Hey, he got what he wanted, man.
Yep. Huh? What?
Where's my boy Gopta, man?
He wants elf titties too.
I know, man. You brought my boy Gopta in there. This guy, dude.
Hey man, he's sleeping on the job, okay?
Left him alone.
Man.
I don't didn't invite him for the fun times. Alright, so let's start with Alec, what do you think of the episode, man?
The ending made it all worth it.
9 out of 10.
Yeah, it's really showing us. Well, the slime already was OP, but he's OP more than I can even fucking fathom, dude. Duplicating magical items. He shouldn't have problems ever in life. He can literally multiply anything he wants. Should be able to sell it and just be a rich slime.
Well, I mean, he did need those magic steel though.
Oh yeah, that's true. That's true. He did need the
Yeah.
materials,
Yeah, yeah.
but still.
So you give it.
I got about 5 pair of elf titties, so I'm gonna give it about a 9.
This guy. What are you, Thunder?
Yeah, like I'll give it a 9. It was really
A 9?
yeah, dude.
Yeah,
a 9,
Man,
man.
these guys, man.
The plot, dude. It's all about the plot.
It was a
First
good,
of all-
it was a good different episode.
yeah.
There was progression, but there wasn't like anything amazing happened. They just kind of
Hey,
restated how OP
hey.
he was.
Hey, elf. That's all I gotta say.
I'll give those elf titties 2 thumbs down.
Whatever. Your
I'm just
version.
kidding. But I think the episode was okay. Nothing really excited me. It's just like classic reincarnated stories
Yeah.
about them being OP and meeting, people. Oh, just like meeting people and like being what do you call it? Like surrounded by like girls and stuff like that. So I was like, I'm kind of used to it. So
That's anime.
I don't
We've
know.
seen it all before.
right, exactly.
Yeah,
I've seen it before,
yeah.
So it's nothing new. So to me personally, I think this episode was like an average episode, like a 7 out of 10.
All right.
What? Okay, yeah. Go
I
ahead.
mean, nothing happened.
I mean, I'm not arguing. I mean, everyone
Yeah,
holds
yeah,
their own
yeah.
different
Yeah,
values of an episode.
You're not wrong. You're not wrong.
Personal
Now,
opinions
if
about
there's
things.
titties, 2 more extra points for titties.
Hey, they put the slime in a circle of them.
Yeah, no,
Come on,
dude,
that
come
is a rare scene right there.
on.
But yeah. All right, then. I guess that concludes our reaction for this week's episode.
Yep.
Catch you guys next week then. Peace.
See ya.
See you guys.